Hi, Ben here from Benz Softwash, and in today's video I'm just going to talk about gutters and the problems with them, why we should regularly get them cleaned, and how we can clean off the damage that it sometimes causes. So if you look behind me, you can see that we have a blocked gutter, and that has overflown, and there's two problems there. You can have water egress into the property inside, and also water can overflow and run down the render. And you can see here, although it is very dry today, the stain running down the render. When that is wet, it looks really quite bad. So what we're going to do today, we're going to unblock the gutter, clean it out with our high reach hoover system, and then we are going to clean the fascia, soffits and gutters, and then we're going to clean the render where the stain is, which was caused from the blocked gutter. So first things first, we're going to use our hoover to clean out the gutter. So sometimes the growths are lodged so tightly that no amount of hoovering will remove the growths, in which case it is necessary to access the gutter from a ladder, footed from below, and remove by hand. There we have a nice clean gutter, cleared of all the heavy moss. So the next stage of the work is to clean the outside of the fascia, soffits and gutters. And we use in our modern water-fed pole technology and our soft washing equipment to kill all the algae which is growing on the gutters, and to then rinse it off to a bright finish. We will then focus on the render to treat the whole elevation, including the brickwork underneath, which has also got some staining from the leaking gutter, and clean the render, the brickwork, and on this job we're also doing the paths as well. So we're going to give the paths a soft wash clean and treatment afterwards. So we'll be using our lightning cleanse product on that to do the cleaning, and then to give some residual protection and to promote further cleaning over time, we'll be putting down our BioCleanse product. So thanks for watching, I hope that's been useful. If you like, please give us a like on this video, it really helps us. Thank you so much for using our services or for buying our products, it really does mean a lot to us. So until the next video, thanks again, cheers.